Hello there, welcome again to our series of topics on Smartsheet creation and utilization for project management. In the previous video, we have created a sample activity tracker where we have seen activity status, start date, end date, duration. We have created that one together, and we have also seen other views like timeline, board view, grid view, Gantt view, card view, and calendar view on the same activity. And here in today's topic, we'll further explore more options. Here is the issues we in today's topic. The first one is how to add additional status, how to how to use other options like file automation, form, and connection here, all these things, and exploring more tools, how to create filters, how to apply conditional formatting, and how to export to Excel. So to go to the first one in adding extra status, now we have two options available, not started and completed. So to add that one, you can go to board view and add. I think it is coming. Yeah, currently we have two options, not started and complete. So to add more, I can add like this, and let me add in progress. So once I did that, I can go to grid view, then it will actually appear here. Can you see it? Yeah, I can make it in progress, some of them. So that is how we can add additional status. Let's come to file automation, form, and connections. Under file, you can get different options like to import it, to open, save as a template, rename, refresh, export, and print. So those are the options available. Under automation, you can create from tables or from scratch, or manage automation of workflows. Under form, you will get create form or manage form. You can use either of them. Under connection, you can create a workflow or manage workflow. So let me move to exploring more option tools. Here are already available tools. Here are tools like save, print, a view where you can change different views, filter. Here is a outdent. This is indent. This is a font where you can change a font. Here is a font size, bold, italic, underline, strike through. Here you can change background color. Here you can change font color. Here you can align the content the way you like. Here is a wrap. Here is a clear format. To clear format, you can use here painter to make uniform style. Here is a conditional formatting, which I will show you in a moment. Then highlight changes. This is to link a cell. Here you can insert image, you can insert row, you can insert columns. There are also additional tools like, for example, how to sum, inserting currency, inserting percentage, uh, changing to thousand format, decreasing decimal, increasing decimal, and inserting calendar. Those are the options. So you have to use it when it is appropriate for you. Then the next one is how to create filters. Here you can create filters. To create filters, you have to go to here and give a name. Let me give it for completed activities. Complete. And then you have to select the status and complete. I have to select the options that I want to use for as a filter, and then I have to apply it. Can you see it? I can see only the completed activity right now. So let me make it undo. So that's how you can make it filter. And the next one is how to apply conditional formatting. So to apply conditional formatting, I have to go to here. Now I can add new rule. For the time being, it is what is selected is complete, in progress, and not started. So I have to use a different color. You can change other that the list from here, or you can just apply for the entire row. Now I have selected the entire row, so I have to go to here and apply it, the different colors for complete. Let me use it green. No, it's not working. Let me select status. Okay, status, status column. Oh, it's not working. Let me try it again. Let me use entire row style option. If it is complete, let us select green. Okay, I will make it another video on that one, and let me actually show you how to export to file, export to Excel. There you have to go to there and export to Excel. Then you have to select export, and then you can just use it as it is. So I'll do for applying conditional formatting in the next video. So thank you very much and bye bye.